do we have here today?
Brant boated.
What are we doing, guys?
We're
Jumping out of planes with strangers today, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
Yeah.
You trust this guy to throw you
I
out?
want him to do a game.
Yeah. We're gonna have some fun today, boys. Are we celebrating anything?
No, just live
Checking
doing
this
it.
off the list. Going to have
Yes,
some fun.
sir. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Sunday fun day.
Exactly.
You ready to rock and roll?
Let's do it. Sir.
All right.
Go rock a skydive. High five.
go.
High five. High five. Here we go.
Let's do it.
All right, boys. We found an airplane. Let's get in. Let's get up and out of this bird and go have some fun in the sky.
I'm excited.
High five.
Do it.
All the way around. Here we go. Woohoo! Yeah! What do you think?
That was insane.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh,
About to get better. Let's turn this thing. Pull the right one all the way down. All the way down. Look at the camera.
holy shit. Oh,
All right.
Oh.
How you feeling?
oh,
Okay. Go ahead
Yeah.
and turn.
hold on.
Just a little bit to the right. A little bit. Make it turn a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Make it turn a little bit. How you feeling?
Oh,
You okay?
oh my gosh, how do you come down from that?
That's what we aim for.
Oh.
All right, we made it back. What do you think of that?
That was insane.
You did an awesome job, man. Come
Oh
back
my
out to see me
God.
again. I'll let you open the parachute, or maybe you can come do this by yourself.
Yeah. No,
What was your
for sure.
favorite part?
The second you jump out.
That flip, huh?
Oh my
It
god.
was awesome, bro. Come back, see us again.
Oh, I
Skydive,
will,
Colorado
for
Springs.
sure.
This could be you. Woo!